It's good to let the painting dry, and now we can continue with our process. I realized a few spots I have to rework. Like there's a shadow here. I will try to connect. Even though it's dry, still I can connect it. This area, a bit blue. But don't work too much on this. If it happens to you, don't waste too much time on this this area. Here we have some orange in this part, and it's orange green. I added some green, light green, St. Petersburg paint to the palette, just to have more opportunities, varieties for yes, coming nice. Okay. In painting, perspective will be called aerial perspective. The farther things are from us, they are more blue, and they are lighter, not darker, like some people mistaking painting the farthest mountains very dark, because they think they are dark, but they are light, and they're more blue than red, for example. So this this area can be this way. Just maybe just to make it a little bit texture here, but nothing special. Something over there. I promised to make this area darker, and I'm sure it has to be darker a little bit. It doesn't matter how dark you put the spot, not a line, the spot. It has to be transparent. So just a little bit here, just a little bit here, just to make it more interesting. So I'm looking around what has to be done to bring the apples forward. Mainly this one. We have a shadow here. I want something here, it's darker a little bit for the background, something for the background. Soon I will put some red dots there. Make it wet a little bit. It's nice to have big areas of red, and then all these dots here, another apple here. All these dots give some kind of movement, different movement. Let's make some interesting lines. So we have this area, this part of the painting. We have it cover everything and opens here. So this corner, we close it with this red and green dots. Some kind of movement here, and here the sky are empty, and here's the field. So we have big part coming forward and small part go backwards. It plays well with the in the space. Here I have this leaf. I want to paint it with a brush. It can be a little bit more water. Put some water in it. So if you come with the blue or darker value, it goes inside the dots. So you see I'm inventing on the flow, on the run, what we say. I want to see things happening using the brush. Maybe something here. Yeah. Darker underneath here, there's something darker. Same here. Something dark in the shadow. Create a feeling of light and dark here. A bit here. I like to leave all these light spots, some air in the painting. Not everything has to be covered. So now to finish the painting, I want to go back a little bit to the light mass of the apples and give it some texture. See maybe later on some ideas for darkest spots. Not too much. I like something to be there. And as long as it's wet, it goes inside. You see it's melting into the wet paint, and it doesn't jump towards us. Here we can make more red and with more paint. Okay, back to my special brush. Special brush, you know, you can make any brush special. This is a Chinese one. I can open it a little bit and get that kind of hairy edge. Brush it up a little bit. Pay attention not to move too much toward the dark, because this is light. Dark and light, dark and light. You want to keep it. Just play with it. Enjoy. The main thing in painting is to enjoy. If you doesn't make it in the first one, you make it in the second one. If not in the second one, in the 10th one, it doesn't matter. It really try to enjoy the process, to understand. Then we go from the lightest to the darkest. If we go like this, you must succeed in the way. Keep your light areas light, keep your darks dark, and don't mix with them too much, and your painting will be nice. So now, few places I want to make darks. We don't go back and make lines around the forms. We don't do this. We just want something maybe in a matter of lines. Just maybe if you need something like this, here just come forward a little bit. Maybe this is too dark, this green, so I make it a little bit lighter. It's really time to look at your painting, to take a step back, look at your painting, what you can do with it. Here I have some maybe lines. Here just to give some texture. Maybe orangey. Something orangey. Fixing the shape. Basically, this is it. A short video about 3 steps making a painting out of a picture of apples. I hope you enjoy and keep watching. Subscribe. See you again. Bye bye.